Okay guys, let's see if this thing acts up at all. It still didn't act up. I want to check this purge valve too that's on this. Because since we got that purge code, did it just die? It just died on me, guys. Oh, what codes did we get? Cam and purge. Cam sensor code, current. I'm gonna see if I can get my Labscop set up. I'm really thinking we got a bad cam sensor here. Let me see if I can get the Labscop set up. Maybe we can actually prove this fault. Okay guys, so got my green trace plugged into the front cam sensor. Got my yellow plugged into the rear. I'm looking for dropouts in here. I'm gonna close the hood. So I'll let this sit here and while I get hot again. I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys probably can't see it. I really can see that. So just let this sit here and then I'll come back if it stalls, or we'll shut it off for 10 minutes once it warms up and we'll see what happens. Hey guys, the car stalled. I don't know when it stalled. Oh man, it must have been before my log. Let's try to start this back up. See what happens. See what we got here code wise. No codes. No codes. Huh. Maybe I can zoom out a little bit more so I get more time. I guess we'll just let it go where it was at and we'll see what happens. Okay guys, so it's not dying, so I'm going to shut this off. It stalled twice while I was inside, and I asked my dad, I'm like, can you let me know when this dies? And he didn't tell me, so I'm going to just leave this off here for a couple minutes and we'll come out and we'll try to start it. Okay guys, car sat for like 8 minutes. Let's see if it'll start. Let's see if the Labscop going. Labscop's going. Let's see. Huh. So just try letting it run, see what happens here. Guys, I got it to act up. I put my heat gun on there. The car's been sitting outside here for a little bit. Let's see. 2004. Let me save this. Nissan. Oh, you guys, you can see it. Look at that. You guys see that? It dropped out. Let's try this again. See if we can start it up real quick. Hang on, Frank. See if we can catch this slide. I don't know if I'll do it now. That was cool that we got it to drop out. guys. I guess the car's staying running now. I have my heat gun on here. I was hoping it would act up again, but what we can do is we can go in the car and I can show you guys what it looked like, because it acted up twice when my phone was charging. Let's see if I can show you guys this. Let's see, let's go back. Been debating on upgrading to the Zeus Plus for you guys, just so that you guys won't have a glare. But if we go under scope, the problem is I don't know if this is saving at the right spot. Something happened on here. And it's not saving my stuff at the right spot. Let's see, let's go back to home. And I keep forgetting about it. Now it's going to open up a bunch. Yeah, see, because that's not the right spot. Let's go to scope. Let's go to file, save. Maybe it's not available. Okay, this is going in 3D objects folder. Okay, so let's go to our 3D objects folder. Yep, there they are. They all are. Look at that. Details. Let's go by date. Okay, let me get these in the right folder and then we'll check it out. Guys, listen to this thing. It's like it's starting to fuel. I have two different problems here. So we'll have to check this out again once we get a cam sensor. See how it almost died. Running out of fuel? Yeah, we still got gas in here according to that. But we'll shut this off. We'll get this stuff cleaned up. I'll take it inside. I'll show you guys the waveform. So here's our cam sensors. This is our cam sensor one. This is one I dropped out and installed. You can see if I zoom out, it was working and then installed. Then we come over here where I go to start it. So far down, but I go to start it. You can see here, this is when we had our extended crank. So our front camshaft sensor started reading, the back one did not. And then it continued working there. So that was our last capture. Then we got this one. This is when I first had it installed. You can see it was running. Let's go back to max. I guess I didn't have this running along. But you can see it was running and then that's when it died. This goes flatline too, but this one flatline first. So that means we don't have a short. We shouldn't have a power ground issue because power stays there and then our sensor starts working. So our ground wouldn't just be on and off. We'd probably get like a weird waveform. So we're gonna put cam sensor in and then that should fix that issue.